Hi everyone, today in this video I'll show you how you can permanently delete your files and folders from Windows. To get started, simply open your Microsoft Store and search for Perma Delete. From the search results, select this and from here click on Install. Once installed, open it. Now if you see the interface, it is very simple. If you click on settings, you can change the theme of the dashboard. Now if you come below this, you will see a drop down where you can see various numbers. So selecting a higher number will ensure that your data is almost irrecoverable. Now you can either select files or folder from here. Select it and click on open. Now we can select the number from here also. I'll be setting it to 1 and finally click on shred, and that's it, the file is permanently gone. Now if you want to do it for folder, use this pattern and select the entire folder and delete it. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.